What's up there, crew? Matt here with TRW, and this is Ask Matt Season 2, Episode 212. So we are here in San Jose. We just finished up the MBM show. It was awesome. Great seeing all of our Cali customers and crew members. So this is going to be a little different Ask Matt. I'm going to throw these in there every once in a while just to be completely random, keep you guys on your toes. This Ask Matt is a challenge to all of you. So today is, February 8th. Okay, today is February 8th, 2020. I'm going to give you 1 week. All I'm trying to do is help your business. I'm going to give you 1 week to create a YouTube channel and post at least 3 videos about your business, showing your product, showing something cool, okay? Create a YouTube channel, post at least 3 videos. If you meet the challenge, you email us at info@therhinestoneworld.com, okay? And do it for real. Don't just go post a random video. It has to be a public video that people can see, okay? Do that. Just show a picture of your shirt. Say, this is an awesome shirt. I'm thedecalworld.com. If you want some different shirts for your sports organization or high school or whatever, contact us at this number here or shoot us an email. Just something simple. If you create 3 videos within the next week, all right, I'm giving you a full week. So today is Saturday the 8th. I'll give you until next Sunday. You create a YouTube channel. If you already have one, cool, but you have to create 3 videos this week about your business to promote your items, okay? And you don't have to sell. You can just show cool stuff. Email me, info@therhinestoneworld.com. Prove that you posted 3 videos this week, and I will send you a $10 coupon code to the website for anything you want. Free $10. But here's where you'll get the big benefit out of it is you're going to eventually, over the course of those videos, possibly gain some new customers. And my whole goal of this is to get you motivated to get out there and create that YouTube channel and start getting customers. And don't get frustrated if it has 2 views or 3 views, because that's 2 more people than you would have reached had you not created. All it's going to do is help your business. I promise. I would not be making this video right now if I didn't create my YouTube channel. The only reason my business is where it is today is because of my YouTube channel. All right, crew? So I'm motivating you to do it. $10 coupon code. If you can prove that you created 3 videos, you email us. They got to be within today, February 8th, and a week from now. You have those, you got a $10 coupon code to the website. So, of course, make sure to click that subscribe button right there, little bell right next to it. Click that like button right over there. Subscribe there, and if you missed yesterday's vlog, click it right over there next to gate 12. I don't know if that's gate 12. I just made that up. But, you guys, that was gate 10. Right next to gate 10. You guys have an amazing day. I'll see you tomorrow. See if you can meet the challenge. Later, crew.